Alright, so hello po sa inyo. Good morning. At mga kaibigan, malungkot pong balita. Hindi po pinalad si Champ Jerwin Nakajas na may uwi po ang kanyang corona, ang IBF World Super Flyweight title sapagkat siya po ay nabigo laban dito kay Martinez na nanalo po via unanimous decision, mga idol. At one judge scored 117, 111, the other two 118, 110. But hindi ko din alam, maybe na siguro pa, no, na miscalculate nila yung kalaban. I don't know, kasi they know better naman, but siguro nagulat din sila na hindi nauubusan itong kalaban na si Martinez dahil napakasipag sumuntok eh. Although Champ Jerwin, kilala natin matibay yan. But ang naging problema siguro, hindi naubusan ng hangin itong si Martinez. At hanggang sa 12 and final round, bumabato ng kaliwat ka ng haymaker, no? Kudos din kay Martinez, you deserve it. At siguro din, isa din yung siguro Champ Jerwin Nakajas stand in front of Martinez at nakipagsabayan siguro. He is waiting na maging winded or exhausted itong si Martinez sa second half of the fight, but hindi yun nangyari kasi alam naman natin laro ni Champ Jerwin, diba? He can dart in and out, kaya niyang lumaban outside effectively, at he can move side to side, big slick, kaya niya yun eh. But hindi yun nagawa nung laban. I'm not sure sa earlier rounds kung nagawa yun kasi actually 6 pataas na ako nakanood, ano. And plans for Champ Jerwin Nakajas, alam ko sila Coach Joven, sila Sir Sean Gibbons, they have plans for Champ Jerwin dati pa, no, to move up in weight, maybe 118 or 122, kasi makikita naman natin Champ Jerwin is strong kapag hindi siya papababa o mapipiga pababa ng 115, kasi yung mga sparring niya makikita natin kahit ang lalaki ng sparring mate niya, pag hindi pa si Champ Jerwin reduce, yung pag malaki pa siya napapabagsak niya yung mga sparring partners niya. And you have to consider the fact that Champ Jerwin Nakajas has been fighting at 115 weight division since 2016, ever since he won the IBF World title, no? Nung tinalo niya si MacJoe Arroyo, nasa 115 na siya. So 2016 pa yon. Imagine how many years na nakalipas and still lumalaban pa rin siya sa 115. Yung bone structure mo, yung body mo, as you grow old, bumabagal yung metabolism mo, and then talagang naturally lumalaki ka. So maybe talagang oras na para po mag-move up si Champ Jerwin Nakajas ng timbang, and we can see a much better performance coming from Champ Jerwin Nakajas if he moves up in weight, because he has skills, he has the durability, he has power, but the question is maybe he is now suffering just to get the 115 pound weight limit. But anyway, under Sir Sean Gibbons, under MP Promotions, you know, napakadali lang mag-bounce back ng isang Champ Jerwin Nakajas. So Champ Jerwin, head up, huwag kang mawala ng loob, at mas marami pang oportunidad ang nag-aantay para sa iyo. At dito din sa kalaban mo kay Martinez, congratulations sa Martinez, and you deserve the victory, and thank you for a great fight. And again, Champ Jerwin, alright, you will be a world champ soon sa mas mataas naman na weight division. Yun lamang po, at magandang araw po sa inyo lahat.